Hello everyone, I am Christopher and I am an IT student at St. Louis College, City of San Fernando, La Union. This video will show 5 tips on how to capture video using a mobile phone. Number 1. Camera angles. This tactics is where your camera pointing into, like pointing up or pointing down. Tip number 2. Camera movement. Here, we are not using the zoom feature. Instead, we move the mobile phone forward to zoom in and backward to zoom out, so that we can stabilize the quality of the video. Tip number 3. Usage of mobile feature. Mobile feature like time-lapse is used when you want to take videos in a long period of time, but played back in normal speed, creating the illusion of a sped-up action. Tip number 4. Place availability. A simple place like table and a subject that I use what I call availability of the place. What you see as a normal can be enhanced depending on how you take the video. And last, tip number 5. Transition. It is a process of changing from one scene to another. It makes your audience to understand the storyline of the video you created. Now, I will combine all the tips to create a video using mobile phone. Background music and effects will be added. Just keep relaxed and enjoy the video.